Umah Hati Villa, which translates to Tranquil Heart. Designed by Studio Jencquel, this private residence lies quietly on the outskirts of Ubud, Bali, surrounded by lush tropical greenery and the soothing sounds of nature. At first glance, Umah Hati feels understated and humble, but look closer and you'll find a rare harmony, a thoughtful blend between East and West, tradition and modernity. The villa was conceived as more than just a retreat. It's a sanctuary where architecture and landscape merge seamlessly. Studio Jencquel envisioned a space that breathes with its surroundings, evoking the warmth of a grand wooden cabin, yet elevated with a level of refinement and craftsmanship that makes it truly exceptional. Every corner of the villa radiates calm, reflecting its name, a tranquil heart that beats softly within Bali's lush embrace. Located in the serene village of Sayan, Umah Hati was designed with respect for its natural context. The project took shape over 18 months, from June 2016 to December 2017, with meticulous attention to materials and details. The architecture embraces the tropical climate, balancing open-air living with comfort and protection, allowing the home to breathe naturally through cross-ventilation and shaded spaces. One of the villa's most captivating features is its roof, a masterpiece of local craftsmanship. Made from reclaimed Indonesian ironwood, it combines Japanese joinery techniques with precision detailing. Smooth Bankirai rafters and woven Sulawesi rattan adorn the interior ceiling, creating a warm, tactile atmosphere. On the exterior, ironwood shingles provide durability and texture, resulting in a roof that's both functional and poetic. Spanning 450 square meters on a 4,000 square meter property, the villa follows an elegant L-shaped layout. It features 3 bedrooms, each with private ensuite bathrooms, along with a spacious living area, dining room, kitchen, and dedicated staff quarters. True to Balinese tradition, many parts of the home remain open to the outdoors, blurring the boundaries between interior and nature. A sleek lap pool extends toward the jungle canopy, framing a breathtaking view of the Ayung River gorge. Uma Hati celebrates local materials in every layer. Volcanic Paris stone from Ubud lines the walls with a subtle, earthy texture. Inside, Asian and Italian marbles enhance the bathrooms and living areas with natural elegance. Rich Indonesian teak brings warmth to the floors, doors, and windows, while an antique teak log, repurposed into a marble-inlaid vanity, becomes a centerpiece of the master bath. Even the garden walls are crafted from raw lava stone, grounding the home to its volcanic soil. The surrounding landscape was designed with the same sensitivity as the architecture. Working closely with landscape designer Menno Landstra, the team preserved much of the natural vegetation while enhancing it with carefully placed pathways and platforms. During construction, workers discovered a hidden garden by the river's edge, an untouched pocket of paradise that the team transformed into a quiet meditation spot with a wooden deck, allowing the land's natural voice to be heard. Umah Hati Villa is more than a home. It's a meditation in architecture, a bridge between human comfort and the wisdom of nature. Through its humble elegance and extraordinary craftsmanship, it embodies the essence of balance between material and spirit, between design and landscape. Here in the heart of Bali, tranquility isn't designed, it's simply revealed.